Hi friends, welcome back to the DBMR Educore Speak Smart YouTube channel. Here is a clear and student-friendly list of useful web forms starting with the letter H that can be used in daily life. Have, had, help, helped, helped, hope, hoped, hoped, hurry, hurried, hurried, handle, handled, handled, hate, hated, hated, hear, heard, heard, hide, hid, hidden, hit, 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 hold, held, held, hut, 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 hang, hung, hung, hug, hugged, hugged, hope, hoped, hoped, host, hosted, hosted. ఇప్పటికైతే ఇంతే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మళ్ళీ వచ్చే వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ స్టే ట్యూన్ అండ్ కీప్ సపోర్టింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. బై బై.